Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Learn English Easily channel. I'm your host, Sarah, and I'm happy to be here with you again. And today, John is with me too.
Hi, everyone. It's great to be here. Today, we're talking about something very important, the problems many people face when they try to learn English.
Yes, many people start learning English with big dreams. They want to speak fluently, watch movies without subtitles, or travel easily, but after some time, they feel it's too hard. They stop learning, or they lose confidence.
That's very true. One big challenge is fear. People are afraid to speak. They think, what if I make a mistake? Or, people will laugh at me. But we want to tell you, mistakes are normal. They are part of learning.
Yes, if you don't make mistakes, you're not learning. Every mistake helps you grow. It's okay to say the wrong word or use the wrong tense. The most important thing is to keep trying.
Another challenge is understanding fast English. When native speakers talk, they speak quickly, use short forms like gonna or wanna, and sometimes mix in slang. That can be really confusing.
I remember when I was learning a new language. I could read and write, but when I listened to real people, I didn't understand much. It felt like they were speaking too fast. But listening every day helped me.
Yes, listening is key. You don't need to understand every word. Just try to catch the meaning. Your ears will slowly learn the sound of English.
Another challenge is grammar. Some learners worry too much about rules. They think, should I say he goes or he go? Is this past tense or present? And this makes them afraid to speak.
Grammar is helpful, but don't let it stop you. It's okay to speak with simple grammar at first. The goal is to communicate. You can fix grammar later.
Time is another problem. Many learners are busy. They have work, family, or school. They say, I don't have time to study.
But you don't need hours every day. Even 10 minutes can help. Listen to a podcast while cooking. Read a short story before bed. Small actions add up.
Yes, and motivation can also be hard. Some days you feel excited to learn. Other days you feel tired or bored. That's okay.
When this happens, remember why you started. Maybe you want a better job, to travel, or to understand your favorite songs. Keep that goal in your heart.
And don't study alone. Talk with others. Join a group online. Speak with a friend. Learning with someone makes it more fun and less scary.
Great advice. Now let's check some useful words and phrases from today's episode.
The first word is mistake. It means something you do wrong. For example, I made a mistake, but I learned from it.
The next word is confidence. It means believing you can do something. For example, speaking every day gives me confidence.
The next word is motivation. It means the reason you want to do something. For example, my dream job gives me motivation to learn.
The next phrase is native speaker. It means someone who speaks a language from birth. For example, I want to understand English like a native speaker.
That's it for today. Remember, every learner has challenges, but step by step you can do it.
Be patient. Practice a little every day, and don't give up.
If you liked this podcast, follow us for more, and subscribe to the Learn English Easily channel on YouTube.
We post new lessons every week, just for you.